Oh, kia ora. My name is Faith Kioro. Ngā Rauru ki tahi. I live in Whānau. I'm with Te Waipuna down there. How can we improve with our hauora down those ways? I guess it's just like improving the numbers of doctors that we have there for our whānau down those ways. And like we have some that come from like Waverley downwards. We used to have a clinic in Waverley, but I'm not too sure what's happened there at the moment. So yeah, another little bit of a moan that I have is like not wanting to go to the hospital, so A&E, because the wait time is so long. And if there was some sort of system there that when you're signed in, there's like a clock up there that can tell you what your wait time is. So like if you know you're going to be there for a couple of hours, then you can go off somewhere, go pay a bill, or go get a kite rather than just sit there. And so I'm gathering that this is happening all over the country, because I have whānau in Tauranga, that don't like to go to A&E because of the wait times too. So so if that can be improved, I'm not too sure if it happens up at Ngā Motu, but I'm just assuming it does, like the wait times are the same, so that can be an improvement there.